Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country Libya. The official name is State of Libya. Libya's capital is Tripoli. Libya's flag consists of three horizontal stripes of red, black and green, centered a star and crescent. Libya's total area is 1.76 million square kilometer. Estimated population of the country is 6.7 million people. Major religion is Sunni Muslim. Major language is Arabic. Libyan dinar is the country's official currency. Libya declares independence from Italy on December 24, 1951. Libya's national bird Arabian eagle. Sport football. Fruit pomegranate. Libya, located in North Africa, is the Africa's fourth largest and the world's 16th largest country by area. Biku Piti Peak is the tallest mountain at 2,267 meter height. No permanently flowing river exists in Libya. Libya's tallest building is Burj Bulaya Office Tower 1 at height of 144 meter. Libya has the Africa's largest and the world's 9th largest proven oil reserves, with 48 billion barrels in 2019. King Idris was deposed by Colonel Gaddafi in 1969, who ruled until he was killed in 2011. Gaddafi was topless in 2011. A civil war started with local armed rebellion and Western military. Still, it continues. One of these cities was the UNESCO listed Liptis Magna, widely accepted as one of the most beautiful cities of Roman Emperor. Libya is Africa's most obese nation and the world's 18th most obese. 66.8% of adults were overweight. Over 90% of Libya is desert or semi-desert. Libya is part of home to the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert. According to the UK Foreign Office, Libya is one of the 17 countries entirely unsafe for tourists to visit. Libya is also among the 10 most dangerous countries in the world according to the International SOS Travel Risk Map. Libya imports 80% of its food because of lack of water. At the time of Gaddafi's death, his net worth was USD 200 billion. Gaddafi built Libya from mess to fifth richest country in Africa. As you can see, people lived mostly in peace and prosperity. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.